Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. As you are watching my channel, you can learn with Rajni. Today, I am going to share with you 6 tips for spoken English fluently and confidently. Okay, actually, when we start speaking English, so that times we get confused how to start, how to learn English. So that's why I have 6 tips for spoken English. Okay, first one as first tips for speaking English, thinking English. Okay, because without thinking, we can't speak English. Thinking is very important part of speaking English because whatever you can think in English, you can speak English. Because you should make a habit to think in English. I think this way is very important for speaking English. I think I know in the beginning it will be difficult for every person who want to improve English, but when you will make the habit, automatically English words comes in from your mouth. So I think don't thinking in Hindi. You should speak English. So I think this way is very important and necessary for learning English. And second one, you should have the practice. Okay, practice is very important part. Okay, without practice we can't speak English. Because I have a example. Because because I want to drive a car, but I don't know how to drive the car because I don't have any practice how to drive. So that times I need to have practice driving car. Okay, so because without knowing the car, I try to drive the car, so it would be difficult for me. So practice is very important. Without practice we can't speak English. Without practice we can't learn anything. So yeah, practice is very important. And the third one, listening. Listening part is very important. Very important. If you are master in listening, definitely you are going to be good speaker. I think a good listener is a good speaker. So listening part is very important for speaking English. Actually, without listening we can't understand. Because we should observe everything, everyone who speak very well English. So I think listening part is very important, and you watch the video in English every day, 50 minutes. Okay, as we want to learn English, so you should watch the video in English because listening is very important. Listening is a art. Okay, without listening we can't understand. So when if I don't know very well, I don't know understand very well, how could we speak? How could we speak? It is it is a impossible. So you should listen first of all, and after that you can start speaking. And next one, tongue twister helps for speaking English a lot. Because tongue twisters learns how to speak quickly. Okay, actually I told my previous video because I use one application, and one day I was using application, and that why that guys said to me, you use a tongue twister. Okay, tongue twister is very important part of speaking English. And I think you should have tricky saying something like this. Okay, actually, tongue twister, tongue twister, when we use tongue twister, so I know I will be definitely improved in English. So you should tongue twister. Okay, and next one, talking yourself. Talking yourself, actually maximum times, I make the excuses I don't have any partner. How to say, how to start English, because I don't have any partner. So don't make the excuses, and talk yourself. Okay, talk yourself. And if you have, you have mirror, a mirror, and you talk in front of mirror, so definitely you will be improved. Because I apply this way. And yeah, I know, I have experience. I realized, this way is very good for speaking English. So I started something like this. When I use this way, when I speak with myself, so talk to yourself. This is a very important. And next one and last, don't be afraid of make the mistake. Okay, actually this is a common thing. Okay, because don't afraid of making the mistake. Because sometimes I get scared of making the mistake, because I am making the wrong sentence. How to speak with the in front of people, because that people will make the I think mock. So I think don't focus other people's. Okay, I think native peoples make the mistakes even. Okay, native peoples have a native language in English. So so please don't, if you make the mistake, then you will be improved in English. So don't focus other things. Okay, so in the last, I am going to say about myself. If you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, and comment my video. So please do the comment, from which I could get motivate, and because your comment is very important for me. So please, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.